In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Jira issues between projects. If you've been working with Jira and find yourself needing to transfer issues from one project to another, then this guide is just what you need. We'll get into the nitty-gritty details of moving issues smoothly so you can stay organized and efficient. To begin, let's navigate to the Your Work section in Jira. This is the hub of your current tasks and projects. Head over to your Jira dashboard by logging into your account. Once you're in, look for the tab that says Your Work. This tab is typically located on the sidebar, making it pretty easy to access once you're familiar with Jira's layout. This is where you'll see an overview of everything you're currently working on, allowing you to have a good grasp of your workload. This initial step sets the foundation for the whole process, ensuring you're starting from the right place. Next, we'll want to select the project that contains the issue you wish to move. From the Your Work section, locate the specific project by scrolling through your list of projects. It's essential to take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct project. If you're managing multiple projects, it might be helpful to rename them with distinctive titles or organize them methodically within Jira to avoid any confusion. Being in the wrong project can lead to unnecessary complications, so this is a crucial checkpoint. With the project selected, you'll need to click on the Issues link within that project's overview. This could usually be found on a top navigation menu after selecting the project. The Issues section is where all open tickets, tasks, or issues related to the particular project are listed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with how issues are organized within this section, whether by status, priority, or due date. Getting comfortable with this layout can save you time in the future when you need to access specific issues quickly. Now that you're in the Issues section, it's time to locate the specific issue you'd like to move. Scroll through your list of issues, or use the search bar to refine your search if you have a long list of items. Once you've identified the correct issue, move your cursor over to the three-dot icon, which is typically found on the right-hand side of the issues listing. This is often referred to as the More Actions menu or Options menu in various applications, and in Jira, it gives you access to additional functions related to the issue. This tiny icon holds the key to many advanced features, so remember its location for future use. Once you click the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several different options for managing your issue. Within this menu, you'll find the option labeled Move. By selecting Move, you'll start the process of transferring the issue to a different project. This step is critical, as choosing the correct action from the menu will determine what happens to the issue next. Take a deep breath here, as this action needs to be intentional. Sometimes there might be other options available in the drop-down that seem similar, so ensure you're selecting Move specifically. After choosing Move, you'll be taken through a series of prompts where you can specify the destination project for the issue. You'll need to select the new project from a drop-down list, so ensure you're aware of what your current projects are named and organized. If you're part of multiple teams or departments, make sure to double check with any team leads or managers to confirm that you're moving the issue to the right place. Once selected, follow the additional prompts, which may include mapping fields or adjusting permissions, depending on how different your source and destination projects are. Each project may have its own configurations, so pay attention to those details. And there you have it. The issue should now be successfully moved from one project to another. Keep in mind that this process might take a minute, especially if there are a lot of changes or data being transferred. After moving an issue, it's always a good practice to double check both the original and the destination projects to ensure everything is in order. Confirm that the issue is no longer in the old project and is appearing properly with all its details intact in the new project. By following these steps, you'll master moving Jira issues between projects in no time. This is a powerful way to keep your projects organized and to ensure that tasks are being addressed in the correct context. With practice, this process will become second nature and you'll appreciate the efficiency it brings to managing your workflow in Jira. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in your Jira projects.